Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Irish potato porridge. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 1 medium onion, and 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Don't forget 1/4 cup of butter, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Make sure to peel and dice your potatoes into 1-inch cubes and finely chop the onion. This preparation is key for a smooth and flavorful porridge. Now let's get cooking. Melt 1/4 cup of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once melted, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them for about 5 minutes until they become translucent and fragrant. Next, add the diced potatoes to the pot, stirring them gently to coat them with the buttery onion mixture. Finally, pour in the 4 cups of broth, making sure the potatoes are mostly covered. This sets the stage for a creamy texture. Once the potatoes are in the broth, bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are very tender. Now comes the fun part, mashing. Use a potato masher or a sturdy fork to mash the potatoes directly in the pot until you achieve your desired creamy consistency. Don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A splash of milk or cream can add even more richness. Your delicious Irish potato porridge is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm as a comforting side dish alongside your favorite main course, or even as a light, satisfying meal on its own. For a touch of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh chives or parsley. If you're feeling adventurous, consider stirring in some cooked bacon bits or shredded cheddar cheese for a heartier version. Leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.